I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Nissan Rogue Key Fob, full guide. Start by removing the emergency key by pressing the small release and sliding it out, then use a flat screwdriver to gently pry the fob seam. Work slowly around the perimeter to separate the halves without cracking the plastic, lift the battery tray and note battery orientation, and set components aside on a cloth to keep them safe. Warm welcome. Let's cover the tools and safety steps before we open the fob. Use a thin, flat screwdriver to create a small gap, then rotate gently to widen without forcing. If you see screws, remove them with a small Phillips and keep them in a safe spot. Handle the circuit board by the edges, avoid touching battery contacts, and work over a cloth to catch any dropped parts for easy reassembly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after a repair so much easier and more convenient. Check the description for the link and other deals to save, and now let's get back to the video. Now disassemble the fob step by step with steady hands and a calm pace. Pry the case open, release the internal clips, and lift the battery tray straight out to avoid bending contacts. Note the battery type and orientation, check the rubber keypad and metal contacts for corrosion, and gently clean with isopropyl if needed. Keep screws and the emergency key together, then reassemble in reverse order while testing button function before final closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.